I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's new AI Video Generator feature, even if you've never written a single AI prompt before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create professional video clips, customize them with advanced settings, and use a secret hack that makes your AI videos look 10 times better. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, open your Canva account and go to the Canva AI section. Once you're there, click the button that says Video Clip. This will open the AI video workspace where you will see several creative options and settings that you can adjust to achieve your vision. Now here is the part that most users do not realize. If you are new to prompting or want to get better results from your AI videos, here is the best hack I can teach you for free. Open ChatGPT and describe the exact scene you want to create inside Canva's AI video clip. For example, you can say something like a cinematic drone shot over a tropical island during golden hour. Then ask ChatGPT to generate a Canva-style AI prompt for that scene. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, ask it to convert it into JSON format. This makes the prompt perfectly structured for Canva AI. Copy that, then go back to Canva AI and paste it into the prompt bar. Now adjust the settings to your liking. You can fine-tune the scene duration, tone, and overall style to match your idea. One of the newest and most exciting updates is the audio feature. You can now turn the background sound on or off directly inside Canva AI. This option was not available when the feature was first released, which makes it a very useful addition. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Canva's AI Video Generator and how to use the latest features to create high-quality, AI-powered clips in minutes. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales.